वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू मेक मनी फ्रॉम शॉपिफाई 10 प्रूवन वेज फॉर 2023। शॉपिफाई के ज़रिए आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं ये हम देखेंगे आज के इस वीडियो के अंदर। वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आप लोग हमारे चैनल के ऊपर फर्स्ट टाइम आए हों तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन को प्रेस कर दें। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो को। Shopify is one of the largest e-commerce platforms that has blown up in popularity with over 1 million stores. Given that more and more consumers are shifting towards online shopping, store owners are open to a massive revenue opportunity. Sellers who find effective methods of making money online and marketing their service or products build their reputation gradually and skyrocket their sales. But wait a second, is it that easy to make money through Shopify? Yes, if you know how to. One of the most amazing things about Shopify is how easy it is to use for both retailers and customers, and the best part is it is effortless to get started as a seller. Here's what we will cover. Start an e-commerce store, build a Shopify dropshipping business, become a Shopify affiliate marketer, start your own clothing line or accessory brand, develop a niche product and market it well, set up a local online grocery store, sell digital products and downloads, monetize your social media, offer your freelance service, sell print on demand products, checklist before launching your Shopify store. Whether you own a small business or looking to start a new ventures to make money with Shopify, there are several proven ways that many other sellers already use. We will go through how to make money on Shopify and provide tips for your business to grow fast. Things to do before you start a business on Shopify. Create a business plan, validate and thoroughly consider your business idea before you invest. Find your e-commerce niche and define your target audience. Define a set of digital channels to promote your brand and product. Plan your SEO tactics. Consider starting a blog to boost SEO. How to increase your blog post engagement. Decide on the shipping and payment methods. Make sure your website is fully functional and aligns with Google's and other search engine guidelines with proper design. Start an e-commerce store. You are wondering how to make money on Shopify. Starting an e-commerce store can be your answer. The platform makes it easy for everyone to set up an online store without hassle. You have many different options about what to sell, such as handmade goods, something you resell, or a service you provide. Shopify ideal for e-commerce than most similar platforms because it's simple to add items, curate them, and let your customers easily check out. Moreover, you can create a blog for your Shopify store to bring more organic traffic to your site. Here's a helpful Shopify SEO guide to give your store a head start with basic SEO. In addition to a blog, you can make use of Shopify apps to increase your sales. There are a lot of apps and reviews in the app store. For example, you can find the best upsell app for your Shopify store and drive more revenue by upselling products or at checkout. Build a Shopify dropshipping business. Dropshipping is quite popular these days. E-commerce, and many Shopify merchants make a lot of money through it. The best part of it is that there won't be any pressure on your inventory. Dropshipping is a business model that allows business owners to outsource the products to sell and sell them on your website. All you need to do is find suppliers whose products are similar or the same as your niche, then upload your new stock keeping unit and wait for customers to buy. Dropshipping business can be summed up in the following steps. Place an order. Shopify store sends the order information automatically to your dropship supplier, and dropship supplier handles the orders and delivers to the customer. तो ये थे स्टेप्स कि आप लोग शॉपिफाई से किस तरह से अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। गुड बाय।